Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to talk about Darknet. On the Darknet you can buy gun with fake passwords, college degree or hacked any PayPal account. Even you can hire any hitman or hackers to hack into any website, any Facebook account or deface any website. Even you can buy their drugs, a lot of stuff. So what is the difference between deep web and dark web? Deep web is the part of the internet which is not indexed by Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or any search engine. You will have to use the Tor browser to see this entity, as well as the Darknet. You can see whenever you search on Google, you can't able to find out the database of any government. So these databases are stored on deep web, and these can't be able to access using our search engine. Search engine only indexed some part of the internet. The dark web. Dark web is the most part of the internet where information is shared using non-standard protocols and ports. A private network with anonymity and a refusal for publicly sharing IP addresses. The collection of all such hosts form the darknet. You can see in this image using Google or any search engine, we can able to find out the top part of this web called as World Wide Web. The next part is called Deep Web. In this database of companies, government database are stored. And the last part is Dark Web. We are going to access Dark Web using our Tor browser. We will see it in next demonstration. So I already talked about that in dark web you can buy guns, weeds or hire any hitman. So for this how you have to pay? On darknet cryptocurrencies are used like as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Peercoin or any other cryptocurrencies to buy anything or to hire anyone. These are the payment methods used on dark web. We can access dark web using TOR. So what is TOR? TOR is the onion routing project that is developed by DARPA in 1997. The alpha version of TOR developed by Severson and computer scientist Roger Nick. When this depreciated in DARPA, it's publicly available. Then it's called Onion Routing Project or TOR project. TOR project is launched on 20 September 2002. You can visit this website to know more about TOR project. So how exactly TOR works? You can see here, this one is the TOR client. On the other side, there is a destination where the web server is located. So when the client requests for any .onion extension website, this goes through anti-guard and there is a lot of middle relay between it. Then it come to exit relay. Between Tor and exit relay, the data is encrypted by Tor. But between exit relay and destination web server, the data is not encrypted. It's in plain text. Also, between entry guard and exit relay, there are a lot of middle relay. So that's why whenever you access any website using Tor, the speed of internet is very slow. Even you can't able to watch any video. Using TOR is really fun for you. See you in the next lecture.